My name is Sam, and I came from Pakistan, and I've been doing business in China from the last 5 years, mostly in Beijing, but we participate many exhibitions all over China. Like we go to cities, Shanghai, Shenzhen, Guangzhou, and also the smaller cities like Lانژو or Kunming. We have to represent our products all over China. Right now, it's a little bit complicated because of the COVID situation, but before we used to represent most of the cities throughout the year in China.
So what's your main products?
Well, our main products are, of course, the scarves, handmade scarves, which is made from cashmere material. Cashmere, in English, it's a yangrong. In Chinese, and also the silk carpets, and all of our products are made by hand. So that's our main products. How do I feel doing business in China? Well, I feel like if it's only about business, I don't think there is any better place right now in the world except China. The feeling is just simple. Doing business is very easy in China. There is nothing complicated. And most importantly, I think wherever you go, people are the most important. People make you feel safe, or people make you feel like one of their own. You understand? When people are friendly to you, any place becomes beautiful. If people are not right with you, then doesn't matter where you go. You will always be depressed. So the conclusion of feeling China is it's great. It's good for business, definitely.